What are you doing? Put your hand back on the fucking... What are you doing? Put your hand back on.
It's autonomous stand.
Yeah. To what degree?
I can get changed lanes and everything.
Do you actually... The stock market is now entering my forecast window for a significant correction, which should present an opportunity to accumulate into the AI megatrend stocks, many of which have galloped ahead to new all-time highs this year, trending in the opposite direction to the much higher risk tech stocks such as those that heavily populate the media blitzkrieging Cathy Wood's ARK funds, i.e. the largest holding Tesla is down 5% year to date, whilst AI numero uno Google is up 34%, which this analysis seeks to resolve in high probability buying levels in advance of an expected correction during May, a buying opportunity. And this video is an excerpt from my extensive analysis that has first been made available to patrons who support my work. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. Tesla. Tesla's stock price chart does not look good. The chart implies $400 is probable in the not too distant future, which so happens to be why I'd penciled in at where I would at least consider buying Tesla stock in my analysis of 28th of February. AI tech stocks buying levels and ratings and valuations. Though more recently I amended my buying range to between $200 and $300 a share. So what does this mean? It means the investing public is going to be subject to a lot of misinformation from vested interests such as Cathy Wood, who will be hell-bent on not seeing the cornerstone of ARK funds being decimated, and along with it her fund's performance. Gone will be Tesla's price targets of $1,400, $2,000, even $3,000, to be replaced with Looney Tune targets of $5,000, even $10,000 per share, to try and encourage investors to stay invested. So basically pumping Tesla stock, and probably similar for a fund's other big, large, high-risk holdings. Where Tesla is concerned, the fundamental fact is Tesla is valued at about 4 times Google, when Tesla is not even equal to 1 Google. Tesla does weak AI, Google does strong AI. Tesla is like the Aldi version of AI to Google's Waitrose AI. And that's why I just cannot invest in Tesla. Not when there's Google sat there trading at 1/4 the valuation of Tesla. Tesla is in a bubble. The stock valuation is crazy. It's as though everyone assumes Tesla will be the only automaker to produce self-driving cars. That all of the major auto players are just sat there on the sidelines waiting to die, whilst Tesla takes over the world. Well, looking at just one automaker, BMW, reveals the extent of their strategic partnerships that ensures that Tesla will not be dominant in the auto sector. Not with the likes of BMW, Audi, Toyota, Nissan and the rest, all fast playing catch up. Note, don't take this as a recommendation to invest in BMW, because the auto sector collectively sucks.
And this one's got the free...
There's that little thing there as well.
It's got the free thingy, Nad. The free charging for life.
What do you mean?
So you don't pay anything.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Charging for life, what does that mean?
Okay, what it is, you know, some of the earlier Teslas, they did a deal because it was so expensive that if you bought them, that you'd have free supercharging for life, so you don't pay for any fuel ever.
Free electricity
for life. So they've got points everywhere. When I first bought it, there were only one in Woodall service station, one in Leeds and one in Barnsley, but now they're everywhere.
So you can charge this anywhere for free?
Yeah, just at the Tesla charge point.
Oh, just at the Tesla charge point?
Yeah, but they're putting them everywhere now. So now
That's good. So you got free electricity
no road tax, free electricity
for life.
for
No,
life.
there must be a time limit.
No. There's not on the newer cars. Just for that 18 months they were selling them, it was free. And now what they're doing is they're trying to buy them back. So they're saying if you
They're
sell
buying them back.
Yeah. They're saying, oh, you want to sell your car?
Yeah, right. Clever little shit. You know?
And then they take it off, lad. So what they do is they buy it back and then they take the
So
supercharger off.
you lumbered Tesla.
I just looked at the options. So Hashim's got one as well, and his
Same.
Yeah, his is same.
Free for life.
Yeah, free for life.
How much did it cost you originally?
This don't ask. I had to take a loan out and stuff. I
So with free fuel, that's worth it. You drive a lot as well.
Yeah, I did. I paid about 40.
It wouldn't be much for me because I don't drive much.
About 42, 43. That was very
That's
cheap at that
cheap.
time. That was very cheap. They're normally about 80. But I paid that. It was a deal. You know how I got it, Nad? I went to London.
Yeah.
Just to look at it. I didn't want to buy it. And the guy, he didn't know anything about Teslas. He had a big showroom.
You didn't know anything about them?
No, because he'd set it so the doors weren't open and this and there was all sorts of things like yes. He goes, Daddy.
When did you buy it?
About 2-3 years ago. But Isham knew about Teslas because he's done all research. So he said, Dad, it's a deal. It's got this.
You got a bargain. It's got a good refresh rate. It's not flashing.
But, oh yeah, no. I've had the latest screen put in. It's got the old screen.
Oh, it's a new screen.
No, the old screen is exactly the same, but it uses a slower chip.
Yeah, I know the hertz.
Yeah, that's.
So I'm saying it's not flashing, so it must be at least 60.
Yeah,
probably more.
So this one I paid
60
extra,
hertz.
and I got the new screen what they put in the 2019 models. So and then it upgrades over the year. It's like an iPad. The whole car upgrades.
Tesla stock is heading lower. A quick technical analysis suggests the stock could easily trade to under $400 a share during 2021. That's more than a 60% drop of its $900 high. A Tesla stock bear market that the likes of Cathy Wood are desperate to avoid materializing. Though if she really is intelligent, then whilst she's been busy pumping Tesla in the media, she will have been busy selling Tesla stock at the same time. Tesla is a sign that the market needs to correct, which will pull more stocks down with them, especially those that have had a spectacular bull run year to date. A stock market plunge during May will be a good timing for my next analysis on high risk stocks. But what about autonomous? Can it do anything autonomous? Can it drive itself?
No, this one hasn't got that.
All right.
It hasn't got that, Ned.
What are you doing? What are you hand back on the fucking... What are you doing? What are you hand back on?
It's autonomous, Ned.
Yeah. To what degree?
I can get changed lanes and everything.
Do you actually let it drive?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. It's a lot. It's
Well,
a lot
keep
better.
your hands on it.
No, when the feeder
I'm
first
not
time
used
sat,
to
I
it.
turned around. I said, "What's up?" Well, she goes, "What are you doing?" I go, forget it. I'm not going to look at it.
Don't be that. You can't trust him yet.
It is scary, but
What if someone hacks it?
Yeah.
Takes control.
No, but it is good on long drives because you can just leave it.
I'm going to buy shares in Tesla, but it's a bit
Oh, they were
expensive
just
at the
shot up
moment.
now.
Yeah, they.
I was going to buy them last year, and I should have. They're only 200, and then they shot up.
So in March when everything crashed, I bought loads of shares, but
Well,
Tesla wasn't one of them. I
I
bought
bought in-
Google,
They all
Microsoft.
went up.
No, not Microsoft. Facebook, Amazon.
All went
Yeah, they've gone up a lot. Nvidia's gone up a lot.
Has it?
Tripled.
I bought Lloyd's. So Lloyd's has gone up now.
Lloyd, the bank.
Yeah, he's from 28 pence.
You should have bought the tech stocks.
42.
But you read my article. Tech stocks.
I know. I should have.
The tech stocks. What it is, those companies that were going to profit from the pandemic, they crashed by 30%.
Yeah.
Everything was a bargain, and now everything's gone up beyond that.
It's
They've
sky
doubled.
high. I know.
Google, it was $1,000 a share in March. Now it's about $2,400. That's Google.
So it's still low. Oh, you mean it's gone up to?
It's gone up 2,400.
So over 100%.
Over 100, and that's the mega giant corporation. That's like the lowest risk stock you can invest in is Google. You know, it's not like the high risk ones where like Tesla is high risk because you don't know if it's going to be around forever. But Google will.
No, I think it's really good.
So is it
So it's fully autonomous.
on the motorway? So you set it to how much distance? Car length?
And this video is an excerpt from my latest in-depth analysis that concludes in buying levels for AI tech stocks buying levels and ratings, valuations and trend analysis into the market correction that was first made available to patrons who support my work. Extensive work including a look at Tesla, the Cathy ARK funds crash that I've been warning against investing in due to the high risk nature of a portfolio. And then there's a whole litany of stock analysis, individual stocks covered in my portfolio from Google at the top right down to Intel and number 12, with the buying levels for all of the stocks updated of where you can achieve discounts on the current price, probable discounts, or where stocks could trade down to during the correction, as well as updating on the current state of the GPU mining free money courtesy of the Ethereum mania. And a quick look at Chia if you want to crypto mine on your hard drives. This is crypto mania is getting insane. Anyway, all of this was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. And my analysis of scheduled analysis includes more high risk tech stocks that should be coming in about a week's time. I basically condensing down roughly 300 stocks I've been looking at over the past couple of months into a dozen that I would personally invest in for the long run. And a Bitcoin trend forecast update, a look at UK house prices, and a piece that I've been working on for quite a while on how to get rich that is approximately 70% complete. Then further schedule is on the US dollar and British pound and gold and silver, which I've still to begin. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, more like a year now. That's why I was saying last year, if you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a Culture K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it $565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Crypto mania, forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining Budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So, this is how you mine budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie. Take my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? I'm not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy. More aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin. The blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others will come.